So it looks like these phones are going to be getting Android 13 before 2023. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. We have some amazing news from sammobile.com right here. The headline reads, exclusive, these Samsung Galaxy phones will get Android 13 before 2023. And as you guys know by the title, yes, the Galaxy A53 5G is going to be getting it as well, it looks like. But let's go ahead and start this article. So it says Samsung is working hard to ready up One UI 5.0 for a handful of Galaxy devices, and members willing to take a bit of a risk have had access to the beta firmware for the past few weeks. On the other hand, customers that don't want to join the beta program have yet to gain access to Android 13, and they'll have to wait a little longer before they can experience the latest changes and additions. Thankfully, we have some good news for you. So we've just learned which Galaxy devices are sure to receive the stable One UI 5.0 firmware before the end of 2022. Samsung will release the stable Android 13 based One UI 5.0 update this year for the Galaxy S21, Galaxy S22 lineups, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Fold 4, and the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and Z Flip 4. These are flagship phones and are expected to have priority for the stable firmware update, but the good news continues for non-flagship users. The cherry on top is that Samsung also wants to bring One UI 5.0 to the Galaxy A53 customers before 2023. The Galaxy A50 series is one of Samsung's most successful mid-range offerings. The 2022 model was released in March with a promise of 4 years worth of Android OS updates, so that's all the way up to Android 16. The Galaxy A53 shipped with the Android 12 based One UI 4.1, making the upcoming One UI 5.0 its first major firmware upgrade. At this point in time, it sounds like the Galaxy A53 will be the only mid-range Samsung phone to receive Android 13 One UI 5.0 before 2023. Then again, it's only September and preliminary firmware updates are always subject to change. Assuming that more Galaxy phones get added to the UI 5.0 queue this year, we are bound to hear about it, and as usual, we'll keep you up to speed. And definitely stay tuned on this channel so we can update you once we get the update on the Galaxy A53 5G. I'm super hyped about this. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this. Do you guys think this Android 13 update should go to more Samsung phones? Let me know. Also, which phone do you have? Do you even have the Galaxy A53 5G? Let me know. But it's cool that we got some good news from Samsung. It looks like they're taking the mid-range devices a little more serious this year, since in previous years it has actually been their most successful device. So shout out to Samsung for actually providing updates like this. I'm sure the UI is going to change tremendously as well, so I'm super hyped about that. It's going to kind of feel like you have a new phone. Obviously, we're going to get new features and different stuff like that. So super hyped about it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I gave you some value as well. But this has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.